Hey guys, if you wondered what one of the DB killers inside of an Aero V4 exhaust weighs, well, it's just over 5 ounces. So, think about it, 2 of those, that's just over 10 ounces. We won't be using those. We will be using the Aero full titanium slip-on this about to be much cooler Ducati Panigale V4. Now this bike has been here once before for a couple of upgrades, but it's getting quite a few more today, like these beautiful CNC Racing red and black billet adjustable levers, that beautiful clear clutch, and like I said, exhaust coming soon. Total weight on the Aero titanium exhaust system, well, give us just a second and we'll tell you. Looks to be about, with the carbon shields, just over 100 ounces, 100.7 ounces. All right. Hey, let's put the original exhaust on there in just a moment and see what that was. I think it's going to be quite a bit more. It certainly feels heavy when you lift it up. Dun, dun, dun. Waiting on the big reveal. Heave ho. What do we have? 288 ounces. That is up from, what was that?
100.
Just over 100.